What if I told you you could use Google VEO3 absolutely free for 12 whole months? Sounds unreal, right? Don't worry, I'm about to show you exactly how to unlock this offer today, right here in this video. But here's the real bonus. This isn't just about VEO3. You'll also get unlimited access to the full Google Pro suite, including Gemini 2.5 Pro, Deep Research, Notebook LM, Whisk, Flow, and more. Now, technically, this offer is meant just for Indian college students. But here's the good news. I've found a 100% working method that lets anyone from anywhere activate it, even if you're not a student and don't live in India. I'm Niarko Wiz, and I'll be your guide today. If this video helps you out, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. It helps more creators find this and supports the channel so I can keep sharing content like this. All right, let's dive in and get you 12 months of free access to VEO3 and the full Google AI Pro suite. Let's begin by getting an Indian college student ID using this website. The link will be in the description, so click on it and come over here to generate one for yourself. Once you're on this website, select one of the images, click Generate New Card, and download it onto your device. Let's proceed to the next step, which is getting a working India VPN that actually provides a unique Indian IP address. You can skip this part if you're from India. Visit the Play Store or App Store and search for Urban VPN. Install it and open it after a successful installation. As a new user of this VPN, subscribe to their 3-day free trial. Remember to cancel when you're done using it. I've already done that. Now, connect to an Indian server. Once connected, let's check to see if our IP address is coming from India. Good, my IP is showing India, Mumbai to be exact. Now, let's move to the next stage in grabbing this juicy offer. Visit the link provided in the description to access the website you're seeing now in private or incognito mode. As it boldly states, students get a free-of-charge upgrade of Gemini until the end of Finals 2026 when you sign up by 15 September. You have up to 15 September to grab this offer, which will expire in 2026, 1 year from the date you registered. Let's grab it now. Click on Get Offer. Sign in with a Gmail address. I'll recommend a newly created one since I created a new email for this. We'll have to verify our eligibility. Here's where the student ID card and its info become useful. So click on Verify Eligibility now. It will open in a new tab. You'll be taken to a page like this. Fill in the form with the details from the ID card you generated. The college's name, first and last name on the ID card. Select any appropriate date of birth and type in an email address. You can use the one you're signed in with. Click on Verify Student Eligibility now. You'll be prompted to add documents. Click to upload the student ID card you generated and click Submit. Google will start processing your application. Congratulations, you've been approved. An email will be sent to you confirming this. Here is mine indicating that the information and the attached documents have been approved. Now let's claim the offer and start using it. Click on Get Google AI Pro. You'll be taken to a page which reads, University students get Gemini in Google AI Pro for 1 year free of charge, which is 100% valid. Click on Get Student Offer. It will start loading. A window will pop up for you to add payment methods. Don't worry, you'll only be charged a refundable amount of $1 to confirm your payment method. There are 4 payment methods: Visa or MasterCard, UPI app, which is mainly for Indians, redeem code, or pay on your phone. I'll add my bank card, so I'll click on that. I'll fill in the details. I'll have to blur this part. And click on Save afterward. Another window will pop up. On this window, simply click on Subscribe. There you go. You've successfully subscribed to Google AI Pro completely free. Some of the benefits you're about to enjoy are 1. Access to our most capable models and premium features. 2. Create high-quality videos with VEO models. 3. More access to Gemini features, including deep research. 4. More access to audio overviews and sources in Notebook LM. 5. Gemini in Gmail, Docs, videos, and more. And 2 terabytes of total storage and more premium benefits. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. And just like that, you've unlocked 12 months of completely free access to VEO3 and the entire Google AI Pro suite. No restrictions, no payment, just pure creative freedom. Now it's your turn to explore, experiment, and make the most of these powerful tools. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear how it went for you, or answer any questions you've got. Hit that like button if you found this useful. It helps the video reach more creators like you. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss another smart trick or tutorial like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm NarcoWiz, and I'll see you in the next video.